The backyard is more than just an outdoor space. It's a retreat where we can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. As we look ahead to 2025, the trend toward creating cozy, comfortable backyard spaces is gaining momentum. Whether you're entertaining friends or simply looking to unwind, a cozy and stylish backyard can offer the perfect setting. In this guide, we'll explore the latest trends in cozy backyard decor for 2025, focusing on comfortable seating areas, garden decor ideas, and design elements that combine functionality with beauty. 1. Creating comfortable and inviting seating areas. When it comes to backyard decor, the seating area is the heart of the space. Comfortable seating can transform an ordinary backyard into a haven. In 2025, the focus is on creating seating arrangements that are not only stylish but also conducive to relaxation. Lounge-style sofas and sectionals. Lounge-style sofas and modular sectionals are set to dominate backyard spaces in 2025. These pieces are designed for ultimate comfort with plush cushions and deep seats, making them perfect for long outdoor gatherings. Opt for weather-resistant fabrics such as Sunbrella, which are designed to withstand the elements while offering luxurious comfort. These sectionals can be customized to fit your space, whether you have a large patio or a smaller, intimate garden area. They can be arranged in various configurations, providing ample seating for family and friends. For added comfort, add throw pillows and soft fabrics and cozy blankets to create an inviting atmosphere. Hammocks and hanging chairs. Hammocks are making a comeback as a go-to choice for outdoor relaxation. Whether you're hanging one between two trees or using a freestanding hammock stand, these offer a laid-back vibe perfect for napping or reading. In 2025, hammocks will come in various materials and designs, from woven cotton to macrame, providing both comfort and visual interest. Hanging chairs are another popular option for creating a cozy nook. Their suspended design allows you to sway gently, making them perfect for unwinding. Opt for wicker, rattan, or modern metal designs that add texture and style to your outdoor area. Pair them with cushions and blankets for extra coziness. Fire pits and outdoor heaters. Adding warmth to your seating area is essential, especially for cooler nights. Fire pits are a timeless feature in outdoor spaces, but in 2025, we'll see more innovative designs incorporating gas-powered or smokeless options for easier use. These fire pits not only provide warmth but also create a cozy ambience, perfect for evening gatherings. Outdoor heaters are also trending for those chilly nights. Modern patio heaters come in sleek designs and are easy to move around, ensuring that your seating area remains comfortable no matter the temperature. 2. Enhancing the ambience with lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for any outdoor space. In 2025, the emphasis will be on creating an inviting, soft glow that complements the natural surroundings. String lights. String lights have become a staple in backyard decor, and for good reason. They add a magical touch to any outdoor space, creating a soft, warm glow. Whether you drape them across a pergola, hang them from trees, or wrap them around fencing, string lights can completely transform your backyard at night. Look for LED string lights to ensure energy efficiency while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. Solar-powered lanterns. Solar-powered lanterns are gaining popularity for their eco-friendly appeal. These lanterns charge during the day and automatically light up at night, offering an effortless way to illuminate your backyard. Choose from traditional lantern styles or modern geometric designs to complement your overall decor. Lanterns and candle holders. For a more rustic or bohemian feel, lanterns and candle holders are the perfect choice. These can be hung from tree branches, placed on tables, or scattered throughout the yard to create a warm, intimate vibe. Candles, especially those in mason jars or vintage-style holders, emit a soft glow that enhances the coziness of any outdoor gathering. 3. Bringing nature into your outdoor space. As we embrace biophilic design, incorporating nature into our outdoor spaces is a significant trend. In 2025, the emphasis will be on creating lush, vibrant gardens that feel like extensions of your indoor living area. Vertical gardens. Vertical gardens are an innovative way to bring greenery into smaller outdoor spaces. These can be created using trellises, living walls, or hanging planters. Plants like ivy, climbing roses, and jasmine work well in these setups, adding both beauty and fragrance to your backyard. If you're looking for something more structured, consider building a vertical herb garden. Not only will it bring a fresh, organic touch to your backyard, but it will also provide ingredients for cooking or cocktails, making it both aesthetic and functional. Wildflower gardens. Wildflower gardens are an excellent way to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies while adding a pop of color and texture to your yard. These gardens are easy to maintain, drought-tolerant, and provide a natural look that blends seamlessly with your outdoor environment. Opt for native wildflowers in your region for the best results, and let them bloom and grow freely for a truly organic feel. Water features. Water features are another trend that's set to take over backyard spaces in 2025. From tranquil ponds to soothing fountains, water adds a calming element to any garden. Install a small waterfall or tabletop fountain near your seating area to enjoy the sound of running water while relaxing outdoors. Water features can also support aquatic plants like lilies and lotus, adding another layer of beauty to your space. 4. Eco-friendly and sustainable choices. Sustainability is no longer just a trend. It's a way of life, and that includes how we design our backyards. As we move into 2025, there will be a greater focus on eco-friendly outdoor decor choices. Recycled and upcycled materials. Recycled materials are making their way into outdoor furniture and decor. Look for seating options made from recycled plastic, or consider upcycled wood for creating custom tables, planters, and fences. Not only are these materials environmentally friendly, but they also give your backyard a unique, personalized look. Sustainable landscaping. Incorporating drought-tolerant plants and using eco-friendly irrigation systems is a key part of sustainable landscaping. Consider xeriscaping, a method that uses native plants and minimizes the need for water. This approach will help reduce your water usage while maintaining a vibrant and thriving garden. Composting and sustainable planters. Composting is another great way to create a sustainable backyard. Set up a compost bin in a corner of your garden and use the resulting nutrient-rich soil to enrich your plants. For planters, opt for biodegradable or recycled pots, and use organic fertilizers to keep your garden as eco-friendly as possible. 5. Personalizing your backyard with decor. Personalizing your backyard with decor that reflects your style is one of the most enjoyable aspects of creating a cozy outdoor space. In 2025, the trend will lean toward mixing and matching textures, colors, and patterns to create a relaxed and personalized atmosphere. Textured fabrics. Mixing different textures in your seating area, think soft cushions, woven throws, and plush rugs, will create a cozy and layered look. Materials like velvet, linen, and cotton in earthy tones are trending, and these can be combined in various patterns to create visual interest. Bohemian and rustic accents. The boho chic style is set to continue dominating backyard decor. Wicker baskets, macrame wall hangings, and colorful rugs can add a relaxed, eclectic feel to your backyard. Alternatively, rustic accents like reclaimed wood furniture and vintage lanterns can create a warm, country-inspired atmosphere. Statement pieces. Consider adding statement pieces like an outdoor art sculpture, a vintage sign, or a colorful hammock. These can act as focal points in your backyard, bringing a unique character to your outdoor space and showcasing your personal style. As we move into 2025, creating a cozy and comfortable backyard is all about blending style with functionality. Comfortable seating areas, warm lighting, lush gardens, and sustainable materials will be the key elements in transforming your outdoor space into a haven for relaxation and connection. Whether you prefer a boho chic vibe, a rustic retreat, or a sleek modern design, there are endless possibilities for personalizing your backyard to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. By incorporating these trends, you'll not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also make it a functional extension of your home, ready for relaxation, entertaining, and enjoying the great outdoors.